Alright, so this is for those of you that did not do your weather log on time, and now you're having to go back and figure out past weather. So what you're going to do is you're going to click Google and go to Weather Underground, or you can click on that weather data link because it's the same length. Make sure you're in Arlington, Texas. So I am. So let's say you needed to log last Tuesday's January 12th. You're going to scroll down. Actually, you need to search first. Search Arlington, Texas. So that comes up. A different background. Scroll all the way down until you see January calendar view. You're going to click January calendar view. And you're going to go to history. Click history. Here is where you can change any of the days. So I'm going to go back to January 12th, 2021 and click View. And that will pull up the high temperature for the day, the precipitation, the wind speed, here is the direction it was blowing, and here's the humidity. So whatever time you pick, that is the humidity that goes with it. Okay? Once you're done with that, you need to share your Google Doc with me. So remember, you find your Google Doc, you're going to click that link and then make a copy. Fill in the 5 days, Monday through Friday. It'll be in your drive if for some reason you close it and come back to it. You don't want to keep making extra copies. So let's see, weather log. So these are the peoples that I have. Let's click copy of weather log. Make sure that you put your name or else I'm not going to know whose weather log it is. You're going to click over here to share. Sorry, y'all, my computer is just struggling. So you'll click share. And you'll type, oh, this was Joshua's. So he needed to make sure and put Joshua on his. But you'll type in Lauren, that's my first name, Lauren Perda, because I still haven't changed my name with the district. So you'll click this and you'll click done. I'm not going to share that with me again. When you are finished, you go to the questions. So you have to use that weather log to help you answer these questions. That's why it's such a big deal. There's 2 parts to this. Sending me your weather log and doing the questions with the weather log. So you're going to have to scroll down to the week of January 11th through the 15th, which is weather. Okay, this is where you're going to find the video I posted, and that's where you'll find the weather data and then the spreadsheet. Okay? Then you're going to have to scroll down to Friday January 15th, because that's where the questions are. Weather data assessment graded. So you have 10 questions that you're going to answer with those datas. I only have 15 right now. If you have any questions, send me an inbox message on Canvas.